Hey Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a solar power motion sensor LED light. And we see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for the one that we got right here, it does come with a pack of 6 of them, but they do have it available in a 10 pack as well. Right here we do have an image of what the product looks like, and if you guys turn to the back part here, they do show you guys the specs and features that's on here in terms of what is actually included and how to actually use it. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what's included inside. So first thing inside, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And then right in that we do have a lot of stuff. So I'll take all of it out. So inside right here, you can see they do provide guys a bunch of these adhesive tape that you can use to stick it onto the product if you guys don't want to use the screw option. And then right here, you can see they do provide guys a bunch of screws that you can use to mount it if you guys want to use it. And then last but not least, we do have the actual product. So like I mentioned, we do have 6 of them, and all of them are the same design and works the same way. So let's just take out one of them to show you guys what the product looks like and how to use it. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So in the front part right here, we do have the brand logo. And right here, we do have the motion sensor. Bottom part right here, we do have the LED light. Top part right here, we do have the solar panel. Right here, we do have the button for you to turn it on and change the different mode. Top part right here is basically where the mount the screw option if you guys want to use it. Right here is the side, and right here is the back. So if you guys want to use the adhesive tape option, you basically want to stick it on the back. And obviously, if it's the first time using product, you do want to remove the film on top. So just like this. Once you guys take it out, that is basically what the top part looks like. And see for the film right here, they do show you guys instructions to teach you guys what to do if it's your first time using it. And also for this product, when you guys do use it, it is waterproof, water resistant, and also heat resistant as well. So you guys are more than welcome to just leave this outdoor in your front door or anywhere else. So that we can charge during the daytime, and it turns on the light at nighttime. But basically for the product, there's 3 different modes available. There's an always on mode, there's a low light motion sensor, and there's a high light motion sensor option. So each time you guys press on this button, it will change a different mode. So if you guys do press it one time, right now we do have the always on mode, and the reason why it doesn't turn on right now is because it senses light. So if you guys do cover the top part, it does turn on, and once you guys let go, it turns off. And if you guys press the button again, now we basically have the motion sensor option on, but we have it in the low light option. So if you guys do cover it, and see how it does turn on. And basically for this option, when you guys do use it, it does have the motion sensor option. And then once you guys do let go, it does turn off again. And if you guys press on it one more time, now you guys have it in the high brightness level and the motion sensor option. So if you guys do cover up, you can see how bright it is when you guys do use it. But because it's your first time using product, it does not have enough battery on here. So you probably want to leave this in the sunlight for around like 12 hours or more than that, just like what I mentioned, in order for you to use it. So that is basically everything that's on the product right here in terms of how to set up and how to use it. Now let's bring this somewhere else to show you guys what the product looks like when you guys do use it in a dark setting. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. But basically what I'm going to do is put this right here. And then we'll turn off the light to see what actually works when you guys use the motion sensor options. So I do turn off the light. You can see how the light does turn on. And it is pretty bright when you guys do activate it. But what I'm doing right now is to let it turn off first. And we'll move a little bit to see how it works. So you see how the light just turned off. So if I do just move a little bit, you can see how it does work. So it does turn on the light once I do a little bit of movement on here. But we'll try it one more time. Alright, so it turns off. It does work. If you guys notice, the light on here is pretty bright when you guys do use it. But like I mentioned, there's different options available if you guys want to adjust it. So there is a low brightness level and a high brightness level. So this one is the high. If you guys want to change it, this would be off. This would be always on. And then right here we do have the low light option. And here we have the high brightness level. And then once you guys do turn back on the light, it does turn off by itself. And basically like I mentioned, what's happening right now, it is charging up the device. And then once it's nighttime again, it will turn back on. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice quick test the product, and definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So obviously for this product, when you guys do set it up, you definitely have the option to set it in your patio, your back door, your backyard, your front door, anywhere else. Basically anywhere that does not have light, you can definitely set this up. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that since it does have solar panel on here, it doesn't require you guys to actually pay for any electricity bills, since it does use the sun to actually recharge it, which is definitely pretty nice. So that we can save a lot of money. But I can see when you guys do use the product, it definitely works pretty well, especially in a dark setting. But like I mentioned, if it's the first time using the product, you do want to fully charge it first. Otherwise, there won't be enough power for you guys to use it for the first time. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market are looking for a high quality motion sensor solar panel outdoor light that you can use to brighten up the area, especially in a dark setting or nighttime. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.